Welcome to my channel. My name is Karl. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. Let's dive in. What is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a text or an image that when clicked will direct the user to a location. How to create a hyperlink? To create a hyperlink, you need two things. First, you need to name a cell. Then you need to create a hyperlink to the named cell. Let me show you how that's done. In front of us is an Excel workbook with two worksheets called first floor and second floor. We are going to create a simple office directory to show where an employee is located in a two-story office building. When we click on their assigned cubicle number, we want Excel to show us where they are located. The first thing we need to do is name the cells. These cells will be the actual employee location. Let's select Mary and click the name box and type Mary and then press enter. We need to repeat the same process of naming cells for the other three employees. So let's select Marcia, then in the name box, enter Marcia, then press enter. Let's go to the second floor and select Carrie, then in the name box, enter Carrie, then press enter. Then select Kimberly, then in the name box, enter Kimberly, then press enter. Now it would be convenient if we had some way to return to the first floor from the second floor. Let's return to the first floor, select Office Directory, then in the name box, enter Directory, then press enter. Note, if you'd like to delete a name, you won't be able to delete it from the name box. You'll need to delete the name from the Name Manager by going to the top menu, then selecting Formulas, then Name Manager. The Name Manager window will display. Select the name you wish to delete, then click Delete. Since we're not deleting anything, let's click Close to exit. Now that we've named the cells, we're ready for the second step, which is to create hyperlinks. On the first floor, let's select Cubicle 10, then right-click and select Link. The Insert Hyperlink window will display. Since we're creating a hyperlink within this Excel workbook, we need to select Place in this document, which Excel has selected for us. Under Define Names, let's select Mary, since Mary's cubicle is 10, then let's click OK. Notice Cubicle 10 changed from a black font text to a blue underlined text, which is the default style for a hyperlink. Let's repeat the process of creating a hyperlink for the remaining cubicle numbers, including the Return to Office directory. So let's select Cubicle 12, right-click and select Link, then select Marcia and click OK. Click Cubicle 20, right-click and select Link, then select Carrie and click OK. Click Cubicle 22, right-click, select Link, then select Kimberly and click OK. And finally, let's go to the second floor, click Return to Office Directory, right-click, select Link, then select Directory and click OK. Now we get to test if the hyperlinks we created work. Let's click on Return to Office Directory to return to the Office Directory in the first floor. That works. Let's click on Cubicle 20 and see if Excel takes us to the second floor to Carrie's cubicle. Nice. Let's click on Return to Office Directory to return to the Office Directory. Then let's click on Cubicle 10 and see if Excel remains on the first floor and takes us to Mary's cubicle. And it does. And that concludes our video for today. Hope you learned something new. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.